In Lassie Hellstrom's What's Eating Gilbert Grape, the problems in the Grape family are caused due to their father's death. Because of this death, Gilbert has to take care of Arnie, who is Gilbert's brother. He has a severe disability, and Gilbert becomes Arnie's primary carer due to his father's death, and there is no one else that can do it, so Gilbert has to do it. Arnie can't even wash himself due to his disability, so Gilbert has to do it every night. Gilbert has to put Arnie to sleep as well. This is shown towards the start of the movie, where Gilbert walks Arnie to his room, talks to him, and eventually puts him to bed. Gilbert also has to keep an eye on Arnie at all times due to the fact that Arnie has a disability, and when Gilbert forgets that he has Arnie ends up climbing the water tower, and police come and take Arnie away to the local police station. Gilbert Grape has to become a father figure due to his father's passing. Gilbert finds these tasks very difficult, but he does it quite well. Like Gilbert tells Ellen to chew with her mouth closed, and her response is, "Sure, Dad. Sure thing, Dad." Arnie gets really ticked off by this and tells Ellen to shut up, which also sets Gilbert off, and he continues to scream, "Dad's dead, Dad's dead." This causes the mother to rage out at Arnie. Also, Gilbert also has to pay bills for the family because no one really has a stable job apart from Gilbert. Gilbert works at Lamson's Liquor and Groceries. Gilbert also has to put food on the table for the Grape family, and he does this by buying food from work or working hard and getting it taken out of his wages. Gilbert has to do a lot of things for his mother, like Gilbert always has to fetch things for her, buy things for her, and drive her places. Like when she asks Gilbert to pass the bacon when they're having breakfast, or can you pass the remote, or can you go to the shop and buy milk and bread for me? Gilbert has to take care of the family in general, like paying the bills, buying food, putting clothes in their back, and just like that sort of thing. Gilbert also drives people where they need to go, like when Gilbert drove his mother to the police station to bail out Arnie. And I believe that the problems in the Grape family are caused due to their father's death.